Alright guys, I wanted to show you guys, because some of you were having issues with your camera view. So here I have my camera, I'm like right directly behind my camera, so um, the arrow telling you that, or the triangle telling you that's the top of my camera. I go to view, camera, okay, so this is what's going to be rendered. Okay, so this panel is closed, but if I hit the plus key, it's gonna pop out. All right, so some of you guys couldn't figure out like where your rooms were and you were losing objects, you're like seeing a gray, and it was just because of where your camera was at. So here's something you can do. Go down, it says lock camera to view, click that. Okay, so now it's locked. Now you can scroll with the scroll bar back and forth. I can move it within this area and I can change my view. I feel like this is a little bit easier for me compared to trying to, because every time normally you click off of it, you know, your camera just disappears and that's kind of irritating sometimes. Now if I click off of this and I just click down on the scroll, it's gone. My camera's gone. But then if I want to know, go back to view, camera, I go back again. And like normally the scroll bar, it just zooms in and out. But once I lock that camera to view, the actual scene scrolls in and out. So that's how you do that.